What?
Open the door.
What's the password?
MTV Cribs.
Okay, MTV. Welcome back to another YouTube video. It's a room tour. MTV Cribs.
I'm working on time.
Come in. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. So this is the casa. Spin around. Spin around.
Spin around, cameraman.
No, not. Well, come here. So, right here, it's my beautiful vinyl station. You know, we got Marvin Gaye, TV Girl, Sade, J. Cole, Lauryn Hill. It's the vinyl player. You can come close, but you can't touch it. I said you can't touch it. Stand your ground, cameraman. Like you getting big and bold. No. Right here we got our speaker. You know, get down here. Get down here. You can't laugh, cameraman. Alright, get up. And over here, it's a mirror. We look at our fits over here. Shoe collection. And then other shoe collection. We got the 3s, the 1s, the 5s, 4s, a Mary's down there. Yeah, it's a Mary. It's a Mary. These are my grails right here. These are my grails. These is my baby girls. I kiss them to sleep every single night. You don't even know it. So over here, no. The jersey, Kobe, T-Mac,
you are my
LeBron James.
sunshine,
It's
my
LeBron James.
Oh, don't you have LeBron James in the closet?
Don't go in there. Don't.
Go in there, okay? So come over here. Come over here. We got the XBZ right here. It's the XBZ, yes sir. XBZ, 2 of them. Got a little bit of shoes. We got some fragrance right here. Stronger with you. YSL. It's right here. Vapor rub.
What is that? Oh, okay.
Did I not just say vapor rub?
You're rude.
Did I just tell you stop talking, cameraman? What's up with you? You think me as a joke?
Sorry, sir.
Okay, I thought so. This is my panda. Pandas is my favorite animals. Got the Bibles and my vinyl collection right there. Okay. This is the bed. This is where all the magic happens. You feel me? I think right here. I sleep right here. I eat right here. Okay. Don't underestimate me. I do everything right here. So right there.
Everything.
Did I tell you not to talk? I told you not to talk. Like the rug ski right there. It's a little bit dirty. Don't zoom in too hard. Clothes right in here. Clothes. Camera. Yes, we're using the iPhone instead of this. Don't at me, please. Yeah. We in the trenches.
Okay, Father. I'm darting off to pursue my educational prowess.
Okay, son. Don't dilly-dally.
I'll see you later. Bye. Yo, what's up, B? How you feeling? What's going on? Yo, let's bounce, son.
Hi, DJ.
Yo, son, where you get them sneakers? Them joints is hot, son. These are the new joints.
No. Imagine me in a cardboard box living there. Another thing, before we got a pogo stick right here. We do got a pogo stick. If I do this, I might get kicked out, so I'm not.
Do it.
Shut up! I told you not to talk. Oh, down here I forgot. Hoop shoes, man. KD on pearls. There it comes.
Bill Gates doesn't have any money, okay? It's quite obvious. He's never done a money spread. He has no Balenciaga, no Supreme, No Rick Owens. I mean,
Converse. Then Jaws, Pumas, or Mellows, Kyrie's. Not too crazy. But that being said, that's my casa. Mi casa, su casa. Alright now. Cameraman, you want a shout out?
No.
Cameraman, do you want a shout out?
Hi, I'm Big.
Alright, you can leave. You can leave. Leave!
Wait.